Hello, my name is Ben and I am not a great gamer. Welcome back to Stellaris, where we play as the very practical and very thrifty Serene Republic of Venice. I think it's time we managed our homeworld a little bit. We have, what is this? 2 extra food. Let's play with that just a tidge, shall we? We have a guy who's about to expand into a new place that is, doesn't have anything going for it. So actually, let's clear out some slums. Wreck. And then he'll get there soon enough and he'll actually move into this spot and we'll get a little bit more money. Because remember, we're thrifty. Thrifty is good. Thrifty is good. Let's give an example of this. So right here, we have a power plant 1. It's producing 6.25 energy. Base of 1, plus 3 for the power plant, plus 1 for the adjacent planetary administration, plus 10% for being individualist, and plus 15% for being thrifty. So yeah, we're making plenty of money. So we'll clear out this tile. We'll get a little bit more cash. Let's see, is there a way we can make our people happier? Actually, would it work? Would it matter to make our people happier? They are 79% happy. Yes, actually, we would get a little bit, we would get plus 10% on everything if we did that. So let's make them happier. You know what? Oh, we don't have it yet. Oh, that's right, we're researching it now. I forgot, we don't have it yet. No, we're not researching it now. Did I forgo that? I think I forwent that. Okay, let's look at our edicts. Yeah, okay, never mind. We don't have the edict to make them happier. That's kind of too bad. We shall have to... Yeah, we'll just have to deal with that. Let's build us... No, not yet. Let's check out our other colonies. So Zara over here, this little spot. Zara's doing okay. I don't really want to build anything here. Let's wait until toxic kelp is done, and that's gonna be 36 months. That should be fine. So once toxic kelp is done, we'll clear out some stuff here, and that'll be great. And then let's go to Murano. Yeah, that'll be fine. That'll be just fine. Let's put a farm here. No, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's lay it on that. Actually, we have the minerals. We might as well do this. Let's stick a mine here. Get us a mining network there. Do we have any research spots? No, we don't. But we can't build anything out anyway. We are down to literally 0 minerals, but that's okay. We have a new, we have a neighbor. They don't hate us, but they're not really super enthused about us. Oh, they actually kind of like us. We're cordial. What are their traits? Hang on. Like, basically, do we want to have their species? They're nomadic, adaptive, slow breeders, desert preference. We couldn't get them to come to our places anyway because they're desert, or they want deserts. But if we got ourselves a Gaia world, then we might start looking at an agreement. Oh no, they probably couldn't do it. Let's communicate with them real quick. Offer trade deal. Migration access. Yeah, see, free pot migration is not allowed. So we'll never get free migration access with them, but that's okay. We have encountered some form of alien vessels in Zamaton. They are the Epsilon aliens, and they are... void clouds. No, crystallines. Yeah. What's our science ship doing? You are surveying Terramata. Okay, that's fine. Okay, cool. We should proceed with caution, actually. What's Terramata like? Kind of boring unless there's a lot of cool places to stick stuff. We did survey this system. It's actually pretty great. We have a mandate to build mining stations, but we've already built all our mining stations out, and I don't really feel like sticking a border base out here, but that's okay. So, Terramata. What do we got in Terramata? Who are you? You appear to be a reptilian model, which actually means nothing. I set up I set up birds with reptiles, I set up birds with reptilian ships, I set up mollusks with, you know, bird ships. It's just kind of all over the place. Yeah, it's going to be a good long while before we can take that. I say we build another Corvette, just because Corvettes. Let's have a reasonable Corvette. And Enrico Moro has leveled up. Excellent. Very good. So we have a little bit faster construction, or research now. Our construction ship has run out of things to do. So why don't you just get into orbit around Murano there. Into orbit. Thank you. Oh, and at some point we should actually start building a spaceport. 360 minerals. Well, it'll happen someday. It'll happen. Grunthirst. That's an awesome name for a system.
Construction complete.
So what are we waiting for? I think the next big thing we're going to do is build a spaceport out here. I think that's what's going to be. Build a spaceport out in Murano. So that's 360 minerals, and that's fine. Now we are receiving a transmission from the Republic of Tendor. They appear to have successfully translated our language. So the Republic of Tendor is a... They're not one of the ones that I set up. So these are one of the new faces that we haven't seen. I speak for Executive Phylaxin. Oh yeah, they're plutocratic oligarchy. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh. Yeah, they hate us. Okay. I speak for Executive Phylaxin and the wealthy elite of the Republic of Tendor. Our alien ways are in fact objectionable to them. But they may be able to do some limited trade. You know, we could learn much from each other. Immediately, we are going to say, hey, let's establish an embassy because they are quite in my way. And this is the disadvantage of the type of space lanes that we use, is that we can't get around here, which is okay. So we will survey this system next, which requires going all the way around our territory. What are you going to do? Right, alright. We have plenty of money. What's our cap? 3,000. We're going to need to do something. Find something to do about our money cap. We'll have to spend it on something. We have Betharian power plant done. I don't see any Betharian actually. That's okay. There are other systems to survey. Finished Terramata? Yes, we did. Ooh, Terramata's almost in our territory. Ooh. I would be half tempted to stick a station out here. In fact, we may do that. But not yet. So let's go with improved spaceport? Yeah, let's go improved spaceport. And then let's see if we can actually switch. Yeah. This guy. Are you sure you want to reassign? Yes, I do. No scientist. It's okay. We will do Vitale Ziani. And that's fine. So now this will go pretty quick. 41 months. I don't remember what it was before, but it's faster now. That's for sure. Now, if we stick an influence station out here, we will probably pick up this thing. It'll probably give us Terramata, which would be just fine. What's the next election? 3 years. Construction ship. What does it take to build a frontier outpost? 100 minerals, I can deal with that. We're gaining quickly enough. Let's do it. Okay. So we're going to pick up by dawn, because there's nothing really to settle out here. Yeah, it's just not going to happen. We're not going to pick up tundra anytime soon. Or arid. Yeah, no. Nope. So meanwhile, our science ship is off to the other side of our territory. Yay. I'm glad that we surveyed Thuram, because that was actually inside somebody else's territory. Tee-hee. Tee-hee-hee indeed. Oops. Was I paused that whole time? That's no fun. That is not appropriate. Now, I tend not to
Situation log updated.
not to build these stations out here, but then again, we could always just rival someone. Do we rival the Republic? Oh man, they're minus 60. And that's with an embassy. Minus 30 border friction. Well, that's only going to get worse. So you know something? They are equivalent power. Let's wait a little bit before rivaling them, but we're going to rival them. We have encountered some form of alien in Gillis. They're still there. It doesn't look like it. Does not look like they are. They'll probably research it. Oh, hang on. Oh, what is this? Yeah, this is someone else's territory. Yeah, this is a, that's a molluscoid. Hang on, is there anything good here? Desert. Oh, they have an ocean world. They have an ocean world. Yes, research this immediately. Survey this right now. Has 10. Let's do it. Do it right now. Don't research their culture. They will research us. It'll be fine. Yeah, I don't know about this minor mandate, kids. Just don't know. When are you done, construction ship? Oh, you're going to be a while. 27%. 28%. Yeah, it's going to be a little while. Yes, Gillis is in fact owned by some... Oh, hey, oops. That planet is surveyed. How does that planet look? I.e., do we want to go get it? Oh! And it's got presentience. Yeah. It has presentience, so we will have to see about that. Oh, that's interesting. What are they like? Oh, we don't know what they're like. They are proles. Minerals plus 30%. They're kind of dumb, but they'll work the mines. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. That is interesting. Okay. Hmm. So Ada aliens will try to figure out who the heck we are. And why the heck we're in their territory. And then we'll probably rival them immediately, depending on who they are, actually. We'll see who they are first. Transmission from the Hanfiler Grand Duchy. Yeah, something tells me we're going to be going to war with them. We're receiving communications. So they... Oh, we just got influence. Interesting. They contacted us. It's interesting. It's the same... it's the same portrait as these guys. That's kind of funny. Yeah, okay. Greetings from the Hanfir Grand Duchy. We're a peaceful nation, justly ruled by our beloved King Ethog I. Okay, maybe we won't. Whatever grievances might arise between our people in the future, we hope they can be settled through dialogue rather than violence. They are fanatic collectivists, it's fine, and pacifists. So, we could learn much from each other. And Cassini was forced to come home. That's fine. It's fine. So, you guys, oh, you're only minus 31. Let's give you an embassy. Hang on. Your Arctic preference. They're equivalent and wary. We'll send you an embassy. We'll see what happens. 3 embassies down. Okay. Well, we're kind of hemmed in, but that's what this game is about. Finding who you can actually be friends with and dealing with things as they come up. Oh, science ship. Yeah. You stop being lazy. Come out here. Oh, hang on. No. Don't do that. Come here. And yes, I know we are not going to survey this stuff. Let's search that. 15% failure? Ooh. No. He's almost level 5. Let's just have him do it. Let's just have him get up to level 5 and then start messing with 15% chances of failure. I'll do like 5 or 7, but more than 10? I don't feel like playing with that. Hey, construction ship. Excellent. Oh yeah, look at that territory. Do we have time to finish this mining mandate, though? Mining stations. Build them all. I think that's 3 of them. We may actually finish this mining mandate. It would be kind of cool. And we have unemployment. Well, why don't you work that instead? And now that we're down to 1 food, why don't you get a hydroponics farm? Why don't you get cleared out? You just spent some money, right? No, it doesn't actually cost money to build things. It costs money to clear things, but it doesn't cost money to build most of those stations. We are nearing our cap. Not nearing, but man. Money, right? What are you going to do? The Hyperlane network has already claimed its first victim in this game. Ooh, Runthirst is actually just borderline. That is a border nation if I've ever seen one. No idea what's in there. Hey Deuce, what's going on? Ooh, hang on. Hang on. Ocean World? Size 20. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We will probably settle that. Oh. The Unwilling have already decided to rival us. You know what? I was actually hoping for better than that. Unwilling? But why? Individualist rabble. Border friction. Well, fine. Recall embassy. Confirm. Let's get a little bit more influence. 1.2 influence. I didn't think we had anything that would give us that. That's more than I was expecting, and I didn't think we had what it would take to have plus influence, but that's okay. You know what I think it's time to do? I think it's time to build a couple corvettes. Yeah, let's build a couple, by which I mean 4. Let's build 4 corvettes. Okay, let's do that. I'm wondering if at some point we want to actually set up a military station out here. We'll have to set... Well, I'd like better tech. At this point, it sort of seems weird to set up a military station with just abysmal tech and then not be able to upgrade it for a number of decades. So,
research complete.
Yeah, let's go with that.
Construction complete.
A lot of stuff happened. Tile blockers. Yes! Okay, good. We'll deal with the tile blockers in just a second. Orbital hydroponic farms are not bad. Private colony ship. This is a rare tech. I have not actually played with this. But what's interesting is it's cheaper. It's cheaper colony tech. Or it's a cheaper colony ship. But they'll have different ethics. I don't really have the ability to pull back our ethics divergence yet. Not, well, I guess I do, actually. I actually kind of do. Let's play with this a second. Let's play with this for a second. You. 12.4%. I can do re-education campaigns. That only subtracts 10, so I need more. It's hard to do. That being said, toxic kelp. Why don't you go away? Actually, cancel. Yes. This one, go away. Thank you. Okay. I don't have the means to pull our stuff, our ethics back. I really don't. So I'm actually gonna go biolab because it'll go faster with this guy. Orbital hydroponic farm, that's back. That's fine, we'll get it back, but might as well just go with biolab 1. Let's do it. 28 months, it's not bad. Fleet order finished, and Venezia has finished its surface construction queue. No. Yeah, surface construction. What did you do? Oh yeah, you cleared a tile. That's fine. Not like I can build anything anyway. Not like I can build anything anyway. Oh, like a construction, or like a colony ship, which I could really use soon. Now that we know that there's a nice little place over here. Look at that. Yeah, it's plunked down right there.
Complete.
Hang on. Cassini. Do something fun. Go over... I want to go up in here. I suspect there's nobody up here. I'm going to come down here instead. Well, let's find our neighbors and go from there. Additional mining stations have been constructed. There we go. Influence gained 115. Do we have a cap?
Complete.
Yeah, 1,000. It's fine.
Research complete.
Oh, construction ship. Yes. Get us, good sir, a research station. Just one. That's all we can afford right now, anyway. This one. This really great one. 6. Oh yeah, 6 society research. That's going to be good. We have solar panels. Yes, we will deal with that later. Colony development speed plus 25%. We'll actually play with that, I think. Yeah. Empire modifier. Yep. AI-controlled colony ships. Let's go. How long is that going to take? 93 months. Whoa. Longer than I thought. Eek. Previously unknown spacefaring empire calls themselves the Iroquois consciousness. They claim to have learned of our existence by listening in on the communications of another empire we are in contact with. And we're immediately in their territory. Oh, a thing that I forgot to mention. So let's just say interesting. And let's say we can learn much. We can learn much from each other, Iroquois. So all of a sudden, well, we found that. So why don't you just go there? Survey that system. Zara finished its thing. That's fine. Contacts. Hey, Iroquois. You dislike us by -5. Let's communicate. You don't have any rivals. Yeah, I gave the Iroquois the platypus. Well, what do you got to say about that? So it turns out I wrote some little... Hey, sweet, there it is. I wrote a little biography. So if you're really interested in the backstories of any of these little places, I wrote a biography for them. I didn't write one for the for our folks. For the Venetians. We'll make our own biography. That's what we're gonna do. And then this is for Castile. So if you'd like to read that, feel free to pause and take a look. But that's sort of where I came from when I designed these guys. Yeah. So, now. Iroquois Confederacy. Excuse me, Iroquois Consciousness. They're erudite explorers. So, spiritualist fools, but free individualists. And, oh, that's right, I forgot about this. We're charismatic. That's right, that's for plus 15. Nice. So they are neutral at this point, but I assure you, they will be better than neutral fairly soon. They will like us.
Complete.
Okay, we now have a reasonable military, it looks like. Ooh, 245. That's something. Timer! No! Okay, we have a reasonable military. We have a busy science ship. Or a lazy science ship. Go survey that. Hey! What's that? Oh! Don't survey that. That would be really, really horrible. Science ship. Why don't you go to Yanam? Survey that. And please don't get attacked. Just don't get attacked. Thanks. Thank you very much. Ah, good. Okay, good. Nothing habitable here, but that's okay. So the our neighbors are shaping up a little bit. We have the Henfilier Grand Duchy, who I had nothing to do with like making them at all. And they hate us, so we're rivals with them. We are rivals. Construction ship is lazy. Sometimes I can't even see where the thing... Look, build the mining stations. Hadus is a great place to settle. In fact, we will do that. That'll get us some, what's it called? Border friction with the Iroquois, but you know what? It's fine. I think it's going to be fine. They actually like us. Yeah, 2 border friction. That's going to go up. Yeah, well, it's fine. But that'll probably have to happen in the next episode. At this point, do not quite have enough. Yeah, we need 350 colony. Whoa, that's right. We had someone lowering the price of our colony ships, if I remember correctly. So yeah, we need 350 minerals, and we only have 190 to our name, so that'll go up. We'll get that out soon, and we will settle Hadus. We have an election coming fairly soon. Who is being favored? It's pretty even at this point. Do we want to support someone? Off-world miner. 4 new orbital mining stations. Yeah, that's probably not going to happen. Hang on. Oh yeah, the only good thing about this ocean world is the ocean world. The system itself is actually kind of junk. But it may actually pick us up Moskwa, which is also kind of junk. Okay, let's take another look at our election. An industrialist, so plus 10% minerals, and mining station build cost, don't need that. Science ship build cost, which we may go for, and anomaly research speed, we'll see. And Corvette build cost. I think Marco Contarini may be the guy. Also, he's not busy leading research. So that's nice. Home in the Sky, spaceport build cost. That could actually be a thing. Monthly influence +1. Ooh, he's a shipwright too. Ooh, Enrico Moro. He is not bad. He is not bad. Industrialist and space miner, shipwright. Ooh. But Vitaly Ziani is a champion of the people. That's not bad. Okay, so the thing about Vitaly Ziani is this. We would probably not fulfill his mandate, but he has a pretty good thing going for him. Plus 10% happiness and minus 15% ship cost, so our ships won't cost that much. And leader lifespan just doesn't matter to us at all. So it's going to be either Enrico Moro, so we can build some spaceports, and get some influence. You know what? No, we're going to angle towards... Oh, that's right, but this guy's a shipwright. Yeah, I don't need the off-world miner. I don't need that. Constructor build cost. Oh, yeah. I think we're going to go for this guy, Enrico Moro. Spaceport build cost is down. Deep connections for the influence, and we will probably actually complete his thing. So we are going to spend 50 influence, because we have it. Let's see if we can get this guy. Going to support Enrico Moro. We'll have to find a new person to lead research, but that's okay. Oh, wow. That only got him to 20%. Oh. I've never actually done this before. Do I want to support him again? Yeah. Wow, okay, 28%. Eek. Note to self, don't do that again. Oh wow, that's a waste of time. Okay, so we've learned something. Don't bother supporting candidates. It doesn't always work out for you. We have a new election. We actually managed to fulfill our mandate, which was pretty nice. We picked up Baidan. And we have a new rival. Yes, the Hunfir Grand Duchy. They just cannot deal with the fact that we have individual rights and freedoms, or something. I guess they just don't like money like we do. But we have met the Iroquois consciousness. They are individuals like us. They're wary of us, but I think we'll actually be okay. We may actually become friends with them. Maybe. Iroquois. They're continental. We may see about some migration access at some point. They won't do it right now because... Yeah, they won't do it right now. But we'll see about getting some platypuses into our territory. Wouldn't that be awesome? Platypuses in our territory. Platypi? Whatever. Platypuses. But all that's going to have to wait till next time. I enjoyed myself. I really did. We're expanding nicely, and we are meeting our neighbors. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. And I do look forward to seeing you next time.